It's Camilla Ifeoma Cynthia. 3 times. I'm finally doing this YouTube thing. You know, but now is the time. Now I am ready. Hello everyone, my name is Camilla Ifeoma. If you're just stopping by for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification buttons because I'll be posting weekly. Yes, maybe 2 or 3 times. 3 times? 2 or 3 times maybe. So yeah, finally, after so many years of wanting to be on this YouTube, I'm here now, okay? And now I can finally say welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a YouTuber based in the UK. I'm going to be what? And asked ChatGPT to give me 5 questions to answer for you guys here, and that's how I'll be answering. Okay, the first question is, what inspired you to start YouTube? I've always wanted to start YouTube for like years now, and literally almost everything I've learned, like makeup, DIYs, it's always from YouTube. I'm always that girl that goes to YouTube for something quickly, and I'm a makeup artist and so many other things, and I finally started this YouTube. What type of content can viewers expect from your channel? Well, I'm going to be filming beauty content, reviews, tutorials, beauty content basically, vlogs, lifestyle content, travel content, everything basically that I'll be up to, I'll film. Okay, so that's what you should expect. How do you stay motivated to create content, especially on tough days? That's a very good question, because I know, like, one of the things I've watched in the past, or like every time I watch something about YouTube, they always say, oh, you need to be consistent. Consistency is not an easy thing. It's like very easy to say, but putting it in the work is like not so easy. Well, let's see, fingers crossed, and God helping us, we're going to do it. Okay, we're going to put in the work even in our tough days. So yeah, what's one fun or surprising fact about you that most people will not know? I'm just starting. You will see and get to know more of me on this channel. I want to be as real, and I want to be as real as possible on here. Authentic. Yeah, just basically be myself and build a community that will love me for who I am and welcome whatever niche I decide to like face or do. Yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, I feel like that's all ChatGPT asked me, because I was specific. I told ChatGPT I just want 5 questions. I don't want to bore you guys. Like, this is going to be my first video. I just wanted it to be simple and cute, of course. And yeah, that's it. I'm so happy to be here. Like, I'm so happy. I'm finally doing this YouTube thing. Yeah. But yeah, getting to my outro. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. If you like what you see and you're interested, you can stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, and share to your family members and friends. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.